From the burrow that Ruth built, a tempest in the street. Now she walks on lava, delightfully boiling her feet. Her eyes are twin lanterns, one dusk, one dawn. She is the butcher's song, decency's eidolon. She is the wave that swallows the shore, a lay of fire forevermore. Paradise sings, but the hymn is red. Charlotte dances where angels tread. She wears scars like tattoos carved in flesh. Each match a volcano, her erupting fury fresh. Her hands are torches, her words in flame. Every bite and scratch and thrash echo her name. She rises in the tide. Oh, Kamako, her humanity died. Oh, Kekoko, the dark side of the ring. Oh, Kekuko, hear the seductress sing. She is the wave that swallows the shore, a lay of fire forevermore. Paradise pro, the crowd will shriek. Charlotte violently calls the weak. She wears the gashes like a lover's embrace. Every wound a kiss, every scar a trace. The violence devours, yet she immerses in its rain. She's finding rapture in the rhythm of pain. She rises in the tide. Kamako, her humanity died. Oh, Kekoko, the dark side of the ring. Oh, Kekuko, hear the seductress sing. She is the wave that swallows the shore, a lay of fire forevermore. Paradise pro, the crowd will shriek. Charlotte violently calls the weak. She is the ocean devouring the moon, an ode of destruction, a funeral tune. But on the cape, beneath starlight skies in blood, Charlotte Burchfield will baptize. Makoa, she rises in the tide. Oh, Kamako, her humanity dive. Oh, Kekoko, the dark side of the ring. Oh, Kekuko, hear the seductress